Hey, this is Ian.
And I'm Matt. We're from the band Low Dosed. We're here to tell you about an all-day music festival called Rock a Little.
It's going to benefit a charity called Pink Crocodile. So come on down to Futuro Music Bar on June 29th. Stick around, learn something at the music workshops, watch the young bands compete all day for some great prizes, and at the end there's going to be a killer rock show featuring us in Low Dosed and these guys over here.
Ahoj, my jsme Sunflower Caravan. Já jsem Michel, tohle je Vítek a chceme vás pozvat na akci Rock a Little a koná se 29.6. ve Futuro Music Baru. Pokud máte kapelu, pokud hrajete a chcete ukázat, co ve vás je, běžte na stránky www.rockalittle.cz.com, kde se můžete snadno přihlásit pomocí formuláře a doufám, že se uvidíme na této skvělé akci.
So please check out the website www.rockalittlecz.com. Get all the info and we'll see you at the show.